Here I have ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So if you want to record screen, you have to just go to the upper bar and find this button record screen here. By tapping on it you can summon the screen recorder menu. You can move it through your screen like this. By holding your finger on this record screen button, you can also access some of its settings. For example, you can select video quality here, and you can set it to record touch interactions. So by tapping on the microphone you can disable or enable it, and if you want to start recording, just tap on this red button and recording will start. Let's record some of our screen. You can also pause your recording by tapping on this button. Then you can play it again by tapping on red button one more time, and you can stop recording by tapping on this square, and after that your recording will be saved to the gallery, and you can find it here at the screenshots section. You can also pause the recording by tapping on red button one more time, and from here you can share, edit or delete this recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.